Petroleum. The term petroleum is derived from two words, petra, which means rock, and oleum, which means oil, and it is mined from the rocks under the earth. The petroleum, which is also known as crude oil, is the fossil fuel which is formed from the ancient marine organism, that means the organism that are present in the sea or the ocean. So how the petroleum is formed? So the organism such as tiny sea plants, animals, they died and are buried on the ocean floor. Over time, this is covered by the layer of sand and silt. As it is covered, over millions of years, they remain buried under this sand and silt, and the pressure and the heat generated, and under this high heat and pressure, this organisms converted into oil and gas. And today we drill through the layer of sand, silt and rock, and we get this oil and gas. When we dig the oil wells, the natural gas is found above the crude oil. This is because the gas and the oil is lighter than water and they do not mix. So the first oil well in the world was drilled in Pennsylvania, USA in the year 1859. The second well in the world was drilled in Makum, Assam, India in the year 1867. And in India, oil is found in Assam, Gujarat, Bombay High, the river basin of Godavari and Krishna. These are the places: Assam, Gujarat, Bombay High, and the river basins of the Krishna and Godavari. So refining petroleum, originally petroleum is a mixture of many things such as petrol, diesel, paraffin wax, lubricating oil, etc. It is dark, oily liquid and with unpleasant odor. So refining of petroleum is the process by which different constituents of petroleum are separated, and this is done in petroleum refinery. So what are the constituents of petroleum? First is your liquefied petroleum gas, LPG, and it is used as fuel at home and in industry. Next is petrol. It is used as fuel in motor vehicles and aviation industry and as a solvent in dry cleaning. Kerosene, used as fuel in stove and lamp and also in jet aircrafts. Diesels, used as fuel in electric generators as well as heavy motor vehicles. Lubricating oils, this is used for lubrication in machineries. Paraffin wax, it is used in the manufacture of ointment, candles, vaselines, etc. Bitumen, it is generally used in the manufacture of paints or for road surfacing. Now, why petroleum is called as black gold? It is called as black gold because it yields several substances that are commercially successful. The useful substances from petroleum and natural gases are called as petrochemicals, and the petrochemicals are used in manufacturing of synthetic fibers such as polyester, nylon, acrylic, etc., detergents, polythene, man-made plastics also. And the natural gas is also yields hydrogen gas, which is used in the production of fertilizers such as urea. A natural gas, it is also fossil fuel found naturally as a hydrocarbon gas mixture in a oil wells. Why is natural gas is an important fossil fuel? It is important as this fossil fuel can easily transported through pipes. It is stored as CNG, which is used for several purposes. and used as the starting material for manufacturing many chemicals and fertilizers. And last one is it does not cause pollution and has very high calorific value. The compressed natural gas is the natural gas stored under high pressure, so it is known as compressed natural gas. It is used as the fuel to generate power. It is clean fuel for transport vehicles and less polluting than petrol and diesel. It is used as a fuel in home and industries, and it can be supplied through pipes. CNG pipeline network is already present in Barodara in Gujarat and some parts of Delhi and other places.